The SYNERGI meeting is an interesting place to be, where you can discuss with all parties, both the large-scale research facilities and the industrial players and the intermediary companies who are providing services to industry and interacting a lot with the big science facilities. Today,
I essentially presented how a consumer goods company like Procter & Gamble use large-scale facilities like SYnchrotron X-ray and Neutron in the way we innovate our products.
The advantages of working with large-scale facilities are the access to high precision, high resolution or high contrast measurements.
The signals are better than anything we could hope to achieve in the laboratory. Also, the time resolution is astounding in comparison to laboratory experiments. So these are the fundamental drivers which make these large-scale facilities so attractive for BASF.
Yeah, I mean, the message should go out to industry to look into these techniques, because they can really offer some unique analysis that weren't available before. But you have to open up and be ready to accept the collaborations and interactions that are evident from an event like SYNERGI.
We do need industry working together with academia to solve the big crisis that we're in. The mobility crisis, the pollution crisis, the climate crisis. These will only be able to be solved if industry is an intimate partner in making changes, and research is extremely vital part of this.